Alrighty everyone, how you guys doing? In this video, as you can probably tell, I'll be doing a comparison with the new iPad Pro versus the iPad Air 2 in terms of performance when it comes to iMovie, gaming, Lightroom and so on. Without wasting any more of your time, let's do a boot up test. At the same time, see which one goes on, which one boots in. One thing to note is that both of these devices are exactly the same in terms of the files they have on them. They're basically iCloud backups on both. So as you expect, the iPad Pro is well and truly launched in, whereas the iPad Air 2 is still being lost for words there, but there we go. The iPad Air 2 is done. Let's go on to iMovie test number 2. And so here we have it. We've got two iMovie projects loaded up, exactly the same files on them. So here is some clothing for your new iPad or iPad Pro. Holds it like a beast. And what we're really going to do is export these in HD. And let's see which one does it first. So save video, and then HD 1080p at the same time, boom. And yeah, they're almost pretty much the same. The iPad Pro was a tiny bit faster. Whether that 1.5 seconds is going to make your Hollywood movie even more successful, that is for you to decide. Before we go on, I'd really appreciate if you can go onto igear.com and share the website amongst your social network. That would be absolutely fantastic. And yes, you can indeed carry pretty much everything. So next test is going to be in Lightroom. Let's open it up. Pretty much identical. Let's get some pictures in here and mess about with them. So this is a graphic of a power bank that we have just launched, and let us go into some presets and try out some effects. So let's do something, let's do a heavy grain. Yeah, as you can pretty much see, you can't really tell, it's almost identical. Yes, the iPad Pro has more RAM. I believe 4 gigs of RAM versus 2 gigs. It's got the new A9X chip as well, if I'm not mistaken. But let's go ahead into some detail, noise reduction high. And yeah, I really can't see much of a difference when it comes to auto black and white. Let's see what that's all about. Yeah, it's virtually, it's pretty much the same. Let's go back and try perhaps a different picture. See how that does. Camera roll. So let's import. So yeah, the iPad was a tiny bit faster, as you probably noticed there. But let's go into some different presets for this different image. Let's go to cross process 3. And yeah, the iPad is literally 0.2 seconds quicker. So let's move on to the last test, which is gaming. We're going to try Need for Speed, since this was editor's choice. I'll load it up at the same time. We don't want Game Center. Can we ignore this? Okay. I don't want you to connect to server, just bring me to the actual game, please. Wow, the graphics on that Pro are amazing. Don't know if you guys, well, you probably won't be able to tell by the time YouTube compresses the audio, but the screen on this is phenomenal. Right. So if you're going to be buying this for gaming, yes, I can safely say that this would be a good buy just for the screen size alone, the screen real estate. But yeah, I hope these videos have been useful. If you've bought one or you're thinking of getting one, let me know what you think. What do you really want the Pro for? What is it missing? In my opinion, there's a lot that's missing from the Pro itself, and hopefully over the next few days I'll be doing detailed videos on how this can be improved. And it's really a waiting game when it comes to the Pro in terms of applications, Final Cut, maybe an Outlook, an advanced mail, and there's various other features hardware wise as well that can really help this. But yeah, leave your comments or abuse in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.